Okay guys, on today's video we're going to be linking your accounts. So right here in rockstargames.com on the top right hand corner, just sign in. So that's on the top right hand corner, that's my sign in. Once you signed in, you're going to see this. Once you click there, view my profile, settings, and so on. What you have to choose is settings, your second option. Once you go into settings, you're going to see a lot of stuff here. So your third option will say linked accounts. And that's exactly where we need to go. So just going to linked accounts. Once we're in here, you're going to see all of this. And this is where you would link up your Xbox, for example. So I did link up my Xbox. And down here below, I'm going to see other options. So you can link anything that I want. So that includes Twitch, your Amazon account, or Google, or anything else. Right now, where we're going to be linking up is PlayStation. So we're going to go ahead and press link account on PlayStation. Now what you want to do is already be logged into your account. So open up another window and just going to PlayStation.com and make sure you're already logged in. If you do that, then it should take you to this page right away where it knows you. So at this point, you should see your PlayStation tag up here. And down here below, you're going to see continue. Now here you can go into everyone, or you can change this up to just friends or only me. In my case, it's okay. I'm just going to leave it as everyone and I'm going to hit continue. Once I do that, it's just going to add my PlayStation network up here, just as you guys can see my Xbox. So it's the same thing. If you guys are linking up your Xbox account, for example, just go into xbox.com and make sure you're logged into it. As long as you guys are logged in, this will detect that and you guys will be able to just link it up that easy. The same deal goes with anything else you guys would like to link up. So whether it's your Amazon account or your Google account, same deal. Just link those up just by pressing link and make sure you're already logged in another window to one of those accounts. However, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.